Want to know how to make your Trello board public? You'd want to make your Trello board public to gather feedback, suggestions, or ideas from the public, especially for a product development or a committee project. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I will walk you through the process of how to make your Trello board public. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Trello app on your screen. Then tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here tap on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the visibility option right below the name. Furthermore, you can see there are two options. The first one is private and the second one is to make it public. Likewise, tap on the public option. Once your account is set to public, your workspace will be visible to anyone with the link and will show up in search engines like Google. So if you are sure about your decision of making your board public, tap on the Save option. So this is how you can make your Trello board public. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or suggestions. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.